Surprise!
Happy 50th birthday, Mommy!
Hi, Ate Alice.
Hi, Alice!
Hi, Ate Alice.
Hi.
Hi, Alice!
Hi, Alice.
Hi. Hi.
Hello!
Hi, Kumare.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, Alice.
Hi, Ate Alice!
Hi, Alice.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday po.
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy golden birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday!
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday mo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Alice!
Alice.
Happy Alice.
Happy Alice! Alice?
Lola
Lola Alice.
This is Alice.
Alice!
Alice!
Alice.
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 Happy Alice!
Alice.
Alice!
Hey, Alice!
Sister Alice.
Alice!
Happy Alice!
Ate Alice.
Tita Alice!
Tita Alice. Lola Alice.
Alice.
Alice!
Alice.
Alice!
Alice.
Alice. Sis. Ate Alice. Alice. Ate Alice.
Hello,
Hello,
Tita
Ate
Alice!
Alice. Happy 50th birthday.
Napaka-special ngayon, di ba? Kasi, golden girl ka na rin.
Natutuwa ako sa nakaabot ka na ng 50th birthday.
Welcome to the golden age.
Welcome to Golden Year. And welcome to the club.
Welcome to the Big 5-0 and I hope you're really encouraged sa birthday mo ngayon. Especially itong inas ni Oscar to really encourage you by asking friends to greet you. But we want to be able to encourage you na you guys have been doing great dyan sa Laguna.
So 40, ano pa lang eh. 50 na pala.
49.
49. At yun, isa kang inspirasyon sa amin. Pagpatuloy mo yung puso mo na tutulungan. Especially yung mga gusto mo kilala sa
Hindi halatang 50 years old ka na.
Just always remember that our God in heaven did not promise that it's going to be easy to cross the road towards the many rooms Jesus promised in the book of John. But He did promise that He will surely be with you always to the very end of the age. We may not know what the future holds, but we can trust the one who holds the future.
We thank the Lord for another year of life. I pray that God will bless you with health, love, and happiness always. May our dear Lord continue to bless you as you continue to be a blessing to others. Always take care.
Ang wish namin sa'yo ay talagang lahat ng mga prayers mo, mga dreams mo, ay that yun.
Our prayers for you is that may you have many more birthdays to come.
Plus good health and happiness.
May God bless you and may He grant all the desires of your heart according to His will.
May God continue to bless you.
Golden opportunities na ma-achieve mo or makuha mo this year. And unti-unti check mo yung mga nasa prayer list mo ngayong ika-50th birthday mo. Alam kong marami kang gusto pang ma-answer ni God na prayers mo. And nasa nakikita ko yung time mo with the family, unti-unti na rin sinasagot ni God, and I pray na ma-reach out mo din sila and mailapit mo sila kay God gaya ng paglalapit mo sa amin papunta kay God. And we're blessed kasi meron kaming kaibigan gaya mo na alam mo yung sasabihin mo sa amin every time na kailangan namin ng word ni God, ng encouragement. We wish you a happiest birthday kasama yung family mo at mga kaibigan mo. And I will continue to pray for you. And alam kong marami pang mga magagandang nakahanda si God para sa'yo.
Continue to serve God.
And God bless you with them.
Miss you and hope you have a fun celebration with your family and friends.
Prayer and birthday wish ko sa'yo, ma-enjoy mo pa yung life mo with all the travels na alam kong love na love mong gawin. I admire yung mga Facebook posts mo na enjoy mo with Oscar and your family. Enjoy mo lang yan. And sana soon tayong dalawa magkasama naman in your travel.
Sana more life, humaba ang buhay, maging malusog, at marami kang mag-study ng Bible.
Sana umaba pa ang buhay mo at marami ka pang ma-study ng Bible.
Praying for your good health, wishing you more birthdays to come. May the Lord showers you with lots of love and happiness. May the Lord really bless you more and more.
I want to wish you always good health, joy, and peace as you celebrate yung birthday mo. And gusto kong i-wish also na i-strengthen ka pa ni God at bigyan ka pa ng wisdom as you build the church dyan sa Nueva Ecija.
Bigyan ka pa ng kalakasan, spiritual man at physical, at gagamitin pa kayo ni God sa kanyang kaharian.
Our wish on your 50th birthday is a longer life and a good health. We wish you strength, and may God bless the desires of your heart. May God use you powerfully in your family circle. Enjoy celebrating your 50th birthday with your family.
Wish you good health, continues to serve our church, and kay God.
I always pray to God na lalo ka pang palaguin, may good health para sa'yo, at syempre yung pagiging leader ninyo, talagang hinahangaan ko talaga kayo tungkol dyan. And syempre yung yung time natin, no? Sana maibalik natin ang mga yon, di ba? Kailang, tingnan mo, nakasalamin na ako. Dati-rati wala pa akong salamin, di ba? Lola na ako, di ba?
God bless you.
I am happy today that I have this opportunity to greet you on your very special day. All I pray now is for you to remain strong and courageous in facing all kinds of trials. Also for you to become a wife of noble character.
My prayer for you is that you continue to abide in the Word of God, and that I pray that you'll be healthy and strong, and I wish you happiness sa inyo nila Oscar and Jabez.
Bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at magandang kalusugan.
And wish ko lang na talagang laging magkaroon ka ng malakas na katawan, at na malakas at malusog na pangangatawan para lagi ka makakapunta dito sa amin sa Nagaland. Dahil talagang lahat kami rito nai-encourage every time na makikita namin kayo, kahit na gaano kayo kalayo, talagang pumupunta kayo rito every time na sabihin namin na dito kayo, talagang hindi na kayo nagdadalawang isip. Yes, tag.
Wishing you good health, peace, joy, and happiness.
My wish for you is more blessings to come, more birthday, more happiness and memories together with Kuya Oscar, more travels with Kuya Oscar, and good health, and always stay faithful to God.
Always good health po ang wish namin po sa inyo, and sana marami pa pong birthday na i-celebrate. Ayun, stay pretty and beautiful inside out.
I hope na ma-enjoy mo pa yung another year na binigay sa'yo ni God. I just hope na nandyan kami. Kaso lang, hindi kaya.
Nawa ay lagi po kayong maligaya and healthy. Ganon din po ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay.
Wish ko sana i-bless ka pa ni God na many more birthday. At syempre, good health.
More birthdays to come. Wish ko na talagang mas lalo pa tayong magkaroon ng mahabang buhay, magkasama-sama.
Wishing you a love, joy, and even deeper relationship with God. Ang prayer namin, alagay kang maging masaya at enjoy mo lang ang life mo.
I wish you all the best in life, and God bless you always.
Ang prayer ko lang is good health for you, at sana wag mapagod ang iyong puso sa pagmimisyon.
Prayer ko na lagi kang gamitin ni God in a most powerful way, and syempre na one day magkaroon din kayo ng bahay nyo ni Kuya Oscar dito sa San Jose, and looking forward kung ano yung gagawin ni God na plan sa atin dito sa Nueva Ecija. And I pray din, we pray na talagang ma-enjoy mo yung iyong golden years.
May God bless you with the desires of your heart. I know that you are really enjoying all the favor and blessings of being a disciple, but all the more in your 50th birthday.
May God shower all His blessings upon you. Many happy returns of the day.
Sa time na to na binigyan tayo ulit ng marami pang 50 years, and I pray na marami pa. Thank you kay God kasi siya lang naman yung nagbigay sa atin ng buhay. And again, ate, I look forward na marami ka pang makitang wonders ni God. And I pray na maging masaya ka pa hanggang sa makita mo yung buhay na gusto ni God for you. And I know marami pang dreams na pag-will ni God yun yung mangyayari. So, with Jabez, sa tatay mo, at mga kapatid mo ate. Ito yung birthday na gusto mo, diba? Kasama sila. And pasensya ka na hindi kami makapunta. And ganoon naman na
sana na maging mas masaya ka at kasama ng pamilya mo. Kung saan ka man, at least I know na magiging masaya ka. At yan naman ang gusto mo, diba? So yun, and enjoy yung time mo with you, Oscar as well, Jabez, and the family. Importante mas maging masaya ka at magkaroon ng yung pangarap mo. Yun naman ang importante, yung kagustuhan mo sa araw ng kaarawan mo.
Ang prayer ko lang sa'yo at ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana ma-celebrate mo ng masaya ang iyong 50th birthday na kasama mo ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay.
As you venture another year, I pray that you really find satisfaction as you glorify God.
Stay strong always and keep fighting sa life. Mwah!
Magpapasalamat lang ako kasi isa ka sa mga nag-study sa akin since study siya. Thankful lang ako kasi dahil dun sa pagpupursige mo sa akin dun sa study ko na yun, nakapag-desisyon ako ng tama sa buhay. Kasi sa mga letter mo din sa akin at sa pag-message mo din sa akin sa FB, maraming salamat din sa'yo. At nakaka-touch kasi isa ka sa mga sister ko na nagme-message sa akin about the God, diba? Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa mga sister mo.
I am so grateful na nakilala ko kayo at naging partner tayo in the mission sa Never See. Maraming salamat at isa kang inspirasyon sa amin. And I appreciate your heart sa pag-mission mo sa Never See.
We want to thank you for all your sacrifices.
Na-appreciate ko talaga yung heart mo sa church, heart mo for God, especially na talagang very loving ka po sa family mo. Sobrang evident naman na love mo yung family mo, and even sa mga studies, napakatsaga mo studying the Bible. And salamat sa friendship na kahit 1 year pa lang tayo mahigit magkakilala, but you showed true friendship sa akin, sa amin.
Thank you for being such an inspiration sa women na ICOC Laguna, and we are so privileged to be able to know you, and thank you dun sa mga sharing mo sa amin sa pagiging disciple, sa pagiging sister, sa pagiging nanay, sa pagiging asawa, and sa pagiging married.
Thank you for being strong woman of Never See.
Thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga aral at patnubay po na binigay ninyo sa akin, and especially nung ako po ay nagsastudy pa lamang ng Bible.
I just really want to express yung gratitude ko talaga towards you because you really have a big help talaga sa akin kasi as I walk through kay God, talagang little steps to big steps, talagang hinelp mo talaga ako na makilala talaga si God, and also talagang magkaroon ng knowledge and wisdom sa Bible. And sobrang thankful ako kasi ikaw talaga yung naniwala sa akin. Nag-study pala ako ng Bible. And thank you kasi you really showed yung compassion to Christ towards me. And thank you kasi ikaw talaga yung nag-help sa akin to really, to bring me closer to Christ. So, yeah. So, sobrang thankful lang ako na nag-graduate pa rin yun hanggang ngayon. Yung pagmamahal mo talaga sa mga disciples and sa family mo, and also sa alam mo yun, kahit anumang uring tao, talagang nag-legit talaga yun sa'yo. And ayun, please take care always, and we're not getting parang you're not getting younger, pero nakita ko yung youngerness mo in your beauty and also how you relate to the young.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat sa pagmamahal nyo and example sa aming mga kapatid nyo sa pananampalataya. Talagang grateful po ako kay God na nakilala ko po kayo and naging malapit po tayo sa isa't isa.
Thank you, ate.
Salamat din pala, Ate Ali, sa pagiging isang magandang halimbawa mo sa ating simbahan. Alam mo, namimiss ko yung mga pagsasama natin dati sa Mandaluyong sector, di ba? And syempre, kung paano ko din nakita kung paano nyo pinalaki ang mga bata at saka yung leadership nyo, talagang hinahangaan ko talaga kayong dalawa ni Oscar dito.
Super natutuwa ako na nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan at kumare na katulad mo. Salamat sa pagmamahal niyo sa amin dito. Hindi kayo nagsasawa na mahalin kami dito. Na kahit napakalayo namin, talagang pumupunta kayo para sa amin. Maraming salamat sa mga sacrifices ninyong mag-asawa sa amin dito. At maraming salamat sa pagmamahal niyo.
I am so grateful, sobra, na nakilala kita. Grateful ako kasi marami ka rin talaga sa akin itinuro, marami ka sa akin mga itinuro na na malaking tulong kung nasan man ako ngayon.
Sobrang grateful kami na kasama ka namin dito sa Nueva Ecija. And syempre, talagang nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi ever since sa Hope pa natin talagang nakita ko na kayo na Kuya Oscar, nag-meet na tayo doon and talagang nakakatawa lang na until now, patuloy kang ginagamit ni God para ma-encourage yung mga tao and talagang na-appreciate namin yung heart mo na talagang mag-share ka ng conviction mo, ng faith mo sa mga disciples at saka sa mga Bible studies natin. Thank you sa friendship. Na-appreciate ko yung lagi ka lang ready to help. Lagi kang ready to sacrifice your time, to really give your time for others.
At kasi isa kang mabuting halimbawa sa amin. And nakikita namin yung mga sacrifices mo para sa church, para sa ibang tao, para sa mga kaibigan mo.
We are happy to be a part of Binyan Mission Church. Maligaya kami nakilala namin kayo at saka si Kuya Oscar. Thank you sa friendship and we look forward to many more years growing our relationship together with the Lord.
Alice, we really appreciate our friendship.
We appreciate your love and sacrifices.
Kaming mag-asawa, gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng aming natutunan sa inyo at ganun din sa ating friendship. Sana mas lalo pang lumago.
Thank you for having a servant heart. Just continue to do great things in the Lord.
Thank you for the friendship. Although we don't see and talk like we used to, I will always be grateful for all those times.
Salamat po sa malaking pagmamahal niyo po sa amin at sa simbahan. Thank you so much sa friendship that we have. I'm so grateful to God na nandyan ka palagi every time na na-encourage, bibigay na encouragement especially sa akin, and I'm so thankful to God sa friendship na meron ako sa'yo.
Para sa'yo kasi you're so faithful to God. Napaka-committed mo at ina-admire kita kasi sobrang heart mo sa mission, lalo na sa Laguna at Nueva Ecija. Appreciate ko na yung heart mo na talagang tumulong sa pag-share ng faith sa Nueva Ecija, sa hometown nyo. And we are one with you in evangelizing your province. Enjoy ka lang, continue to embrace your your life with God, yung commitment mo kay God, yung faith mo.
Ikaw pa rin yung kaibigan na pwede ko talagang takbuhan kapag siguro kapag spiritually drained na ako o kailangan ko lang ng makakausap. Kasi parang ikaw yung isa sa mga sister na pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. Diba? Pwedeng sabihan ng mga sikreto. And you are really a woman of a gentle and quiet spirit,
Correct.
kapatid. So talagang saludo ako sa iyo on how you are taking good care of your relationship with God first, and your relationship with Oscar and with Jabez and with Tita Mila.
Forever faithful ka talaga kay God. Kasi ikaw talaga yung isa sa mga sisters na nilulok ko sa church.
Talaga na kapag chinat kita, nandyan ka lang, talagang hindi na nagdadalawang salita. Yes na agad. Nantutuwa lang ako sa heart mo, lalo na sa heart mo kay God, na talagang always para mag-support, lalo na sa amin dito sa Nagkarlan. Kaya naman every time na makikita kita, super encouraged talaga kami.
Nakaka-inspire yung marriage niyo ni Kuya Oscar, the way you handle your family, kung paano mo pinalaki si Jabez.
Have a heart of gold, and you are very precious to me.
You are an exceptional sister in so many ways, but what stand out the most are the life-changing talks that we had, because you never hold back, opening the Bible after you have listened well.
Saranghe!
I love you, Ate Alice!
We love you, Tita Alice!
Love you, sis!
I love you. Love you, sis.
I love you!
We love you!
I love you!
We love you.
We love you! We love you!
I love you, Ate Ali.
I love you, my dear sister. God bless you.
We love you!
Love you, Alice.
I love you.
We love you!
Mahal na mahal kita noon, ngayon, at magpakailanman.
I love you!
I love you.
I love you so much.
Love you so much, Tita Mua.
We love you.
Enjoy your time with your family.
Enjoy your birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Nag-enjoy ka sa birthday.
Enjoy your special day.
Enjoy ka sa birthday mo today.
Enjoy.
Enjoy nyo lang po yung araw nyo. Enjoy mo lang ang birthday celebration mo.
Enjoy your day, kapatid!
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your 50th birthday.
Have a great day.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy all your celebrations. I know you guys will have a great time. We do miss you guys, and we love seeing all your videos and pictures on Facebook. Enjoy your time, and we'll see you soon.
My travel buddy, my best friend, my prayer partner. Mommy, truly you are such a blessing to me, to us, to everyone. Masaya ko para sa iyo, especially sa pinili mong choice na mag-mission sa Nueva Ecija. And I'm excited for all of us to mission. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay mas lalong mag-deepen at mag-grow yung relation mo kay God, to love Him more than anyone else and anything else. And I said this before, and I will say it again. To others, probably you are a dot in the universe. But for me, you are my universe. Saranghe!